Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So same types of problems as my last live stream, but a different method here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems using the Lattice method. So I have my Lattice method model here. Our first example problem is 482 times 39. So I'm going to go through step-by-step how to solve that problem. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply digit by digit. That'll set up 482. Along the side, I have 39. So we are going to 2 times 3. The answer in the square here, but each digit within our answer is going to go in a separate triangle. So 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So we're going to have it put a 0 in the top triangle since there's no number in the tens place for our answer, and a 6 in the bottom triangle. 3 times 2 equals 6. Next, we're going to multiply 2 times 9. The answer to 2 times 9 is going to go in this square. 2 times 9 equals 18, so we're going to put a 1 in the top triangle and an 8 in the bottom triangle. Shout out to everybody tuning in and the person that just hit the like button. I appreciate you. All right, next we're going to multiply 8 times 3. The answer to 8 times 3 is going to go in this square. 8 times 3 equals 24. So we put a 2 in the top triangle. Next, we're going to multiply 8 times 9. Answer to 8 times 9 is going to go in this square. 8 times 9 equals 72. So 7 in the triangle. Next, we're going to multiply 4 times 3. The answer to 4 times 3 goes in this square. 4 times 3 equals 12. So 1 in the top triangle, 2 in the bottom triangle. 9 is going to go in the final square here. 4 times 9 equals 36. So 3 in the top triangle, 6 in the bottom triangle. So all our multiplication is done. The next step is we have to add the numbers going across the diagonal lines. We're going to add all the numbers up in the square going diagonally. So diagonal line to the right side of this diagonal line, the only number, up the numbers that are in between these two diagonal lines. So 6 plus 1 equals 7, plus 2 equals 9. Next, we're going to add 0 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 11 plus 6 equals 17. So here we're going to need to regroup. So the 7 and 17 goes in the hundreds place. The 1 and 17 gets carried over to the thousands place. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 2 equals 5. Plus 3 equals 8. And then along this diagonal line here, the only number left is 1. So next we would have to read the number from left to right. So looking at the number, we have a 1, a 7 in the hundreds place, a 9 in the tens place, and an 8 in the ones place. So our final answer is 18,798. 18,798. So 482, 18,798. Legibility does matter. 38. All right, moving on to our next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. The next example problem, 195 times 23. So I'm going to make my Lattice Method model to start that out. So we need 3 boxes going across and 2 boxes going down. So we have 195 and then we have 23. All right. And then we have to draw a line across each of the squares. All right, and now we're going to multiply digit by digit. So we're going to start out multiplying 5 times 2. The answer is going to go in this square here, but each digit's going to go in a separate triangle. So 5 times 2 equals 10. So we're going to put a 1 in the top triangle, a 0 in the bottom triangle. 5 times 3, the answer to 5 times 3 is going to go in this square here. 5 times 3 equals 15. So 1 in the top triangle, 5 in the bottom triangle. Next, we're going to multiply 9 times 2. The answer to 9 times 2 is going to go in this square. 9 times 2 equals 18. 1 in the top triangle, 8 in the bottom triangle. 9 times 3 equals 27. So the answer to 27 goes in this square right here. 2 in the top triangle, 7 in the bottom triangle. Next, we're going to multiply 1 times 2. The answer to 1 times 2 is going to go in this square. 1 times 2 equals 2. 0 in the top triangle, 2 in the bottom triangle. 1 times 3 equals 3. 0 in the top triangle, 3 in the bottom triangle. So now we have to add up all the numbers within the square by each diagonal line. So looking at this first diagonal line here, let me turn the camera so it's easier to see. So the only number along this first diagonal line is 5. So 5 is going to go here, representing the ones place. Now in between these two diagonal lines, we have 0, 1, and 7. So 0 plus 1 equals 1, plus 7 equals 8. So 8's going to go here. It's going to be the number representing the tens place. Next, we have to add the numbers in between these diagonal lines. So 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 9. So now when we have a sum that's more than 10, we have to regroup just like we would with any other problem. So the 4 and 14 is going to go here representing the hundreds place. The 1 and 14 is going to get carried over. Now 1 plus 1 equals 2, plus 2 equals 4, plus 0 equals 4. Now in the line representing the 10,000s place, the only number we have left is 0. So we're going to put a 0 here. So now we're going to read left to right. So we have a 0 in the 10,000s place. We have a 4 in the thousands place, a 4 in the hundreds place, an 8 in the tens place, and a 5 in the ones place. So our answer is 4,485. 195 times 23 equals 4,485. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.